All right, so here it is, my Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. $184.30 with the goods all said and done. I had an overage money maker of $9.51. And as always, that total includes the tax, so you got to keep it real here on our coupon boast, real accurate. For the week of January 26th to February 1st, or January 25th to January 31st if you live out of the state of Florida. I'm down south. It's Thursday, the first day of the sale. Trying to post a video every week on the first day of the sale. So please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off. And also, you like these deals, hit the like button. Trying to build up my channel. So I get right into this good. I didn't really have any category coupon this time, but I still pulled pretty good moneymaker. A lot of good moneymakers this week. A lot of good deals. And, you know, as always, as I tell you before, you use those money makers to buy stuff you want. I just get more money makers, I guess. I'm going for the biggest overages usually. And, you know, sometimes I get stuff that maybe I can't use, but someone will have a use for them. Someone will use them. All right, so let's get right in. I get, 20 or so deals. Here, Dannon yogurt. So this is the last day. Okay, this is the last day. I know you're going to be mad at me because you probably can't do this deal unless you get out today and do it on Thursday. But this is Dannon Light and Fit, just regular price, $1.50. And there is a Publix digital coupon for $1.50 off. It expires today, January 26th. So that gave me it for free. And there's also an ibotta rebate that came up today that gave me 75 cents back. So that was a 75-cent overage right there. So you can do this deal. So there you go. This is $1.99. It's a regular price. There's a Publix digital coupon for a free one. So clip that. Once again, I got all my Publix digital coupons clipped. All my ibotta rebates clipped because things come off. You're not even expecting it to come off. Sometimes double comes off, or you use a paper coupon and the digital comes off. And I'll get to that in a moment. So my tip, have all your digital coupons clipped. That way you can also see which new ones kind of come on every week. But up to you. That's my advice. $1.99 Publix digital coupon because it's free. So it's free, zero. For that little critters, did this deal and it came back in ibotta. So regular price for this guy, $6.49. There's Publix digital coupon. That takes $2 off. There is an ibotta rebate that takes $3.50 off. So that actually glitched for me and came off twice. I think maybe because of the digital, it's a digital coupon. So that was more $3.50 more to the good. Made that a $7 because two of the ibotta rebates. It counted me as two instead of when I only purchased one. So that was a $2.51 overage right there. And once again, I got the breakdown below. There's also coupons.com on that. I had used mine already. So, but there's also coupons.com. You could probably do better than that if you threw that in there. So Advil 24 count. This deal is going away tomorrow, Friday. So it's regular price $4.79. There is a store coupon that expires tomorrow. So if you want to do this deal, do it right away. So that takes $2 off. There is a manufacturer coupon from the Save January 1st. That also takes $1.50 off. And like I talked about it kind of glitched and my Publix digital coupon came off as well. So I was happy about that, making that 21-cent overage for that guy right there. Chapstick single was $1.79 with tax. Factor the tax, $1.92. Store coupon expires also Friday, which is tomorrow, for $1 off. And Publix digital coupon takes $1 off. Now, mine did not come off this time. Sometimes it comes off. Sometimes it does. I went to customer service and they credit me $1 for that. So they have a new return policy. They actually give you cash back if it's less than $5. So keep that in mind. Well, I don't know. They should give you a gift card. I always say, hey, just give me a gift card. It's definitely going to be used. And then ibotta will definitely put the money back in my account when I pay for stuff with the Publix gift card. All right, Suja immunity shots right there. Regular price $3.19 for these guys. So for two of them, it will cost you $6.38. However, they're BOGO, so you get both of them for $3.19. There is an ibotta rebate for 75 cents off of two. So 75 cents is good. There's also an ibotta bonus. Last week, hopefully you're with me, you did that Splenda deal, which was a really good moneymaker deal on the cold pressed Suja cold pressed juices. So since you did that one last week, there's also a bonus. So that gave me a 75 cent There's also like an any water, bottled water that came off. I don't know, but that gave me 10 more cents for a bottle. And once again, you got everything clipped. You line those edges up, good things come off. Merrifield gives you 5%. That's about 40 cents, so made those only $1.19 for both of them. Tate's cookies, you know I do this deal just about every week. This time I didn't clip the new one because it resets, so I had a one for $1.50 on there, or $1.25, $1.50 or $1.25. So anyway, regular price $1.25 for these guys, and it's Publix. There's a bottle rebate for $1.25, made that 0. Line those edges up, receipt edge, receipt edge, receipt edge, and good things can come off because, you know, that can happen. Laughing Cow, I did this last week as well, so I did it again. This week it's like Sunday to Sunday, I guess, or whatever. So 2 more were in there. You can do this. This deal is, well, the regular price for these guys are $4.19 each. So as you can see, 4 of them would cost me $16.76, no tax on food here in Florida. They're BOGO this week, so 4 of them cost me half that, which was $8.38. Swag Bucks, or My Points, or Inbox Dollars, I guess they're all the same. I use Swag Bucks. There is a offer for 500 points when you buy 2 of them. And I'm happy this worked because sometimes if they're BOGO, they say, oh, you only bought 1 of them. I argued with them. What, did I steal the other one? No, I bought 2 of them and it gave me a promotion of a sale. So that was kind of a pain. But anyways, this time nothing. It just went right through. So there's you're allowed to do it twice per week. So that gave me 1,000 Swag Buck points, which is equivalent to $10. And Checkout 51 has $1.18 back on each pack. So for 4 of them, that's $4.72 to the good. So for those $8.38 spent, $10 from Swag Bucks, $4.72 from Checkout 51. That was a $6.34 overage moneymaker right there. Rockstar energy drink. So I think these are going out, but $1.25. Regular price is like $2.50, so it'd be like $2.68 with tax. However, it is down to 2 for $2.50, so $1.25. Factor the tax is $1.34. There's a Publix digital coupon that takes $1 off, made that only 34 cents. Yakult probiotic beverage. So these are usually out. I was able to find it. So it's $3.39. It's Publix digital coupon that takes $3.39 off, made that absolutely free. In the dairy section, kind of to the right of the yogurts, I found it, and sometimes they're out though. All right, Starry. This was not at every store, but I did find it at my store. These are by the register, and it was a little cooler. Maybe I'll just tell you where everything is. And this, hopefully, I'll remember to do that. $2.19 for this guy. When you factor the tax, that comes to $2.35. There is Publix digital coupon for a free one that takes $2.19 off. They do not take the tax off, so you're paying that 36 cents for that guy right there. Colgate toothpaste. I guess these are regular price $3.99, so factor the tax on that is $4.29. They're on sale for $3. So there is a Publix digital coupon. A lot of Publix digital coupon. I think I had like 11 or 12 come off. Publix digital coupon for $2 off. Their coupons.com also has $2 if and or but. You can use that. 79 cents moneymaker on that, as they paid only $3 with the tax, $3.21. $2 coupons.com, $2 Publix digital coupon, 79 cents overage on that. Florastar, 4-star. So these are regular price $19.99. They're on sale for $14.99. I believe the sale runs out tomorrow, Friday. There is a manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source, January 15th, takes $8 off. If and or but, there's a coupons.com $8 coupons.com offer. So that made that $1.01 overage on that. Big haul here. Splenda liquid sweeteners. Regular price for these guys are $4.49, so they're just regular price. So you get I bought 5 of them for that, made them $2.25 each. I did this deal before. I did it again. So this is from the Save January 15th. There's a $4 off of 2. I used 2 of those. There's also from coupons.com. There is a $2 off of 1. So I used 2 of these for 4 of them, and 1 of these for 1 other one of those, and that took off, let's see, $10, and there is about a rebate for $2 back on each one, so that's another $10 to the good. So, and then coupons.com has $2 back, so only 45 cents for all those. Allegra 12 count. I like this deal. So regular price for these guys are $11.99. So for two of them, it costs $23.98. However, they're on sale this week. You get $5 off each one, like the 12 counts and like the liquid, the sprays or something. But anyways, the 12 counts qualified. It's $11.99. You take $5 off. $5 comes off for the sale, so minimum $6.99. So for two of them, would cost $13.98. It's Publix digital coupon that just popped up for $5 off. I use that. There is also a Blinky coupon from like one of these dispensers right in front of you. There's one of those that took $3 off. And Checkout 51 had $8 back when you buy two of them. So that was $8 more to the good. So $13.98 spent, $5 from the Publix digital coupon, $3 from the Blinky coupon, $8 back from Checkout 51, made that a $2.02 overage on those guys. Chobani creamer. My mom loves this, and my brother's wife loves this, so I had to get this one. There's a other option. You could get the probiotic, which is a little less. These are $5.39. So for two of them, would cost $10.78. So, but however, they're BOGO this week, so this is when I buy them. $5.39 for these guys for both of them. There is a Checkout 51 offer that takes $1 off of two, so there's $1 to the good. There is a manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source January 1st that gave me $1 off of two, made these only $3.39. You know, I tell my mom, hey, I'm going to Publix. You know, I was at her house. Hey, can you pick me up some of that creamer? I was like, not this week. Hey, can you pick me up? Not this week. Just wait, Mom, next week, and then I'll stock up and get. I'm not going to pay $10.38 when I can get them for $3.38. You know, the week later. So, but now I'm going to stock it up. She won't be asking me for it again. She's going to be stocked up and ready to go. Success brown rice. Regular price for this guy is $2.87. It's on sale for $2 each box. There is a Publix digital coupon that takes $1 off. There's also a fetch offer for 1,000 points. That's equivalent to $1. And then I believe, or at least it came off for me there, when you buy two of them, you get 500 more fetch points. So I believe I bought one previously, so that might not come off for you, but it did for me as a 50-cent overage moneymaker on that. All right, Crunchmaster crackers. This deal is like once a month, pretty much. $3.99 for these guys. So for two of them would cost you $7.98. However, they're BOGO, $3.99. So when you buy them, $3.99. And there is a manufacturer printable coupon that takes $1 off. I used two of those, so $3.99 came down to $1.99. And there is about a rebate for $1 back on each bag. So there's $2 more to get, make a 1 cent overage on that. There's also a fetch offer. You can maybe get that. I redeemed mine already, so I did not have that. So you'll do better than me on that. But that was a 1 cent overage on those. Kate Hill, right there. So regular price for these guys are $4.99. So for two of them would cost $9.98. However, they're BOGO, so you get two of them for $4.99. Manufacturer printable coupon. I used two of those, $2 off and $2 off. Made those only 99 cents for both of them. And once again, I got the links below, and extremely detailed breakdown. As I said, I keep it real accurate on here. So you can go below the video, just hit that more button. They'd have to hit it again, the more button, and it'll bring up detailed breakdown and links to print all the coupons. So 99 cents for that guy right there. All right, Bobos. Bobos are $4.99 at my store. So for two of them, it would cost $9.98. However, they're BOGO this week. And I knew this ibotta rebate had been sitting in my ibotta for a long time. And I finally chose the smart time to use it because they're BOGO this week. So $4.99 for both of them. And there is, as I mentioned, ibotta rebate for BOGO offer up to $4.99. So made those completely free for me. So that was a great deal. Kate's Energy Bar. Right there. So regular price for this guy is $2.50. There is, check your Publix Digital. There's a Publix Digital coupon for a free one. So that made that absolutely free. OWYN. And I guess they're ready to drink meal nutrition shakes. So these are, gosh, I didn't tell you where everything is. Well, this was in the creamer. This was by the cereal. This is in the deli. This is at the vitamins. That's the dairy. These are by the kind of the beef jerky. These aren't in a cooler or anything like that. These are by the register, but they could be by, this was the hardest thing to find, but they could be by the, these are end cap of the register, but they could be by well, they said health and wellness by the Lenny and Larry's cookies. Sometimes they have them there. Obviously, pharmacy area, health and wellness, allergy sign, dairy, produce, register. By this is by the rice. That was by the toothpaste, obviously. Now this one was by the health and wellness, by the bars and the shakes and everything like that. So these were regular prices, $9.99 for these. So for two of them, cost $19.98. However, they're BOGO this week, so you get both of them for $9.99. And if you can see where the peely was, these are like, I guess the retailers come in and put them on it. But there's a $4 off peely. So there's two of them, $4 off, and $4 off made them only $1.99 for both of them. So that was a good deal. And finally, a bonus deal. I did not do this deal, but I saw this deal. I was going to do it, but regular price, I'm waiting maybe next week to go on sale. But regular price, $9.99 for these. There is a manufacturer coupon, gosh, from last year. I think it's December or November. Save. Takes $3 off. There's also a bottle rebate for $4 off, bringing that from $9.99 minus 3 minus 4 makes it only $2.99. All right, so once again, $184.30 worth of goods, over $9.50 overage money maker. Once again, please subscribe. Funny looking guy. You know, if you haven't, hit the like button. That'll help me out. And check out my other paid to shop videos. Everybody enjoy their couponing this week.